Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. So big news, there's a new member to the family. No, I didn't have another baby. I got an air fryer. I resisted it for so long because I didn't want another appliance, and I had the little milky crisper lid that I used on my Instant Pot, but the basket just wasn't big enough for me. So I had to upgrade, and I am so glad I did. So the next 2 or 3 videos are going to be air fryer videos. They're super quick and easy, and you probably could figure this all out yourself, but I just want to show you what I've been doing, and it's like a life changer. So I'm so glad I got it, and let's get started. Today I'm going to be making air fryer tortilla chips, which is one of my favorites. I probably eat chips and salsa every day, and now I don't have to worry about oil because there is 0 oil. I'm just using one ingredient, tortillas. So I'm going to show you how I cut them, what temperature I use, how long I cook them for, what I found was the perfect amount of time. So I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. So first things first, let's look at this beauty. Look at that. This is a Cook's Essential. I got it off of QVC. It was on sale. I got to use flex pays. What more could you ask for? And it's got a nice big tray here, basket. And I'm going to show you how easy this is to use. I'm going to scoot this aside. And I've got some tortillas here. And we're just going to cut them in half. And then cut them in half again. And you can cut these. Some people would just like to do quarters like this, but I'm going to cut them again. Then we're just going to put them in the basket. And you don't want them, you kind of want to do them single layer. If they're touching a little bit, it's okay. I'll show you in just a second here. So I would probably do like that. All right, so maybe we can add one more. All right, so then we're gonna start it. I'm gonna do 370, and I do this for 6 minutes. And that, for my air fryer, is the perfect amount of time. So we're gonna let this go, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. And these are so good. I don't even put salt on them, okay? That's how good they are. So I'll see you in a few. Okay, they are done. Let's check them out. Oh, look at that. So what I do is I make sure that there's no give, that they're not, you can't bend them. These are perfect. So I'm going to just finish the rest of my chips, and then we're gonna taste. So I have a nice big bowl of chips. I've got some guacamole and some salsa. I'll link to my recipes for those 2 down below. But most importantly, let's do a taste test. Here we go. Let's try guacamole first. Do you hear that crunch? That is ridiculous. Now I'm gonna try salsa. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I love no oil. If you do want to put salt on them, put the salt on as soon as they come out of the air fryer. And one of the main reasons why this makes me so happy is because chips and salsa, mainly the chips, have been my downfall because I've been eating chips from the grocery store which have oil in them. I'm trying to limit them. Or I would make them in the oven and they take a long, I don't know, it's just, they didn't come out right. Now I am set because I can make these 6 minutes. I'm ready to go. So I'm really excited. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like my vegan do it shirt, you can get it at my Etsy store. Information is in the description box. And again, like I said, I'm gonna be doing a couple more videos on some more air fryer recipes. So if you have an air fryer, make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you don't, you can make them in the oven. It's just that they're gonna come out so much quicker and I think so much better in the air fryer. And right now they're super affordable. So until next time, thank you.